PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning serves businesses across Swarthmore, Pennsylvania with reliable commercial air conditioning contractor services, ensuring cooling systems operate efficiently through expert installation, repair, replacement, and preventive maintenance. Our team works with offices, restaurants, warehouses, and retail properties to keep HVAC systems performing their best. We prioritize prompt service, dependable results, improved energy efficiency, reduced downtime, and long-term comfort for every commercial customer we serve. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a commercial air conditioning contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What does a commercial air conditioning contractor do? A commercial air conditioning contractor installs, repairs, maintains, and replaces HVAC systems, ensuring reliable cooling, efficient performance, improved energy efficiency, and comfortable indoor environments for businesses throughout every season. How often should a commercial air conditioning system be serviced? Commercial air conditioning systems should be professionally serviced at least twice yearly to improve efficiency, prevent unexpected repairs, extend equipment life, maintain reliable cooling, and reduce operating costs. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our commercial air conditioning contractor has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania commercial air conditioning contractor office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.